Hey, Doc. I got you guys another anniversary present, but don't worry, because this one is way more appropriate, but just as awesome.
Millie, I don't want you spending a bunch...
Wait to see what it is before you poop on it and send it back.
Ta-da! Aren't they great?
The sizes seem a little off.
That's because that's hers.
Isn't hers hers?
No, yours is hers because you're hers. Hers is his because she's yours. I mean, I guess yours could be his and hers hers because you're your own people, right? But that's what's so great about these hats, is that they work on so many different levels. Plus, they're adjustable.
Well, thank you, Millie. That is very sweet.
She doesn't seem to be enjoying her hat as much as you and I.
No, I think she's enjoying it about the same amount.
What the? Snowflake my ass? Hey, let me in! I want that bomb!
This neighborhood's gone to hell.
Listen, I know you're disappointed about the holiday, so I talked to Millie and decided to take you on a European tour.
Oh my God, Europe? I can't believe it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you, I love you, I love you.
Well, I didn't actually finish. Geez, this isn't going to sound as good now. A European tour of the city.
Guten Tag! We begin our guided tour with breakfast in Old Holland. Welcome to the Swiss Alps. I hope you enjoy our cheese. Romantic Venezia, where the streets are paved with water.
Aren't you coming with us?
Oh, hold on to this rope. I should have tied that to something. Welcome to Little Athens, home of Plato, Socrates, Aristotle, and Kevin.
What's up? Aren't you finished yet?
This isn't as easy as it looks. I've had to start subdividing all the categories. Love is now divided into appreciation, adoration, and obsession.
Shouldn't obsession go in your crazy pile?
It's not just crazy anymore. It's now harmless nut, distant threat, and disturbing pictures. Then I've got this one that reads like adulation, but it's made with letters cut out from a magazine. I'm gonna have to start another pile.
And that is why we don't give them all to Millie.
Well, the hippie lied. I saw another bong in the window. Who knows how many there are?
You bought another bong. Does no one else think this is weird?
We obviously can't trust these people.
These people? Joyce? Really? What have you got against hippies?
Mom, Dad, would you turn that crap down? I'm trying to study.
Hey! Come on down, man! It's Jake Lamar's birthday!
So, should I call our lawyer?
No, I will deal with this Che Guevara-loving hippie myself.
Why don't I come along? We can get some tie-dyed shirts, some Rasta wigs. Go deep undercover.
No, you stay here and help Crystal.
Why do I have to stay here?
Why does he have to stay here?
Okay, you can come, but no talking.
All right, man.
Especially not like that.
Oh, milady. We were fated to meet again.
I see you have another Grumpaloo bong in the window.
Keen eye.
You told me the bong I bought was one of a kind.
All my bongs are one of a kind. Each piece is handcrafted by the world's finest bong blowers.
All right, listen up, hippie. I hate to kill your buzz, but what you have here is pirated merchandise.
We were willing to overlook the first offense because you're a dirty hippie, But obviously you have no respect for copyright law.
I resent those accusations. Now, are you two gonna buy something? Because it's almost 2 o'clock and I need to close up shop.
We're not going anywhere.
I should probably plug the meter then. Can you make change?
I'm sorry. I do not know how to play this thing.
I think I'd like to go home, Stan.
But we're going to go to Ireland next. I was going to drink a Guinness and get into a fight.
I appreciate the effort, but now I just really want to go to Europe. The real Europe, in case you're planning any more surprises.
Ah, you can't leave now, lassie. We're just about to toss the cable. Oh, screw this country. Oh.
Listen, everything's cool.
No, my lord, everything's not cool. It's the opposite of cool.
Tepid?
Well, well, well. Look what I found. And you say this is made of hemp? Because it breathes like a dream. Oh, and Joyce, there's a shelf full of Grumplu bongs back there.
Taylor, let's go. Grab those boxes. We're gonna confiscate these goods.
Hey, wait, you can't do that.
Freeze, Hippy.
That's breath freshener.
And I'm not afraid to use it. All right, get a hammer. We're gonna destroy these.
Really? Oh, this little one's kind of cute. It could be a gravy boat or a wine decanter.
More bongs? Okay, should I be worried?
We're busy here. What do you need?
There's 2 guys here to see you. One says he's a lawyer and the other could use a bath.
So, come to settle?
My client is filing suit against Haddison House Publishing and personally against Joyce Harris.